Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are talking about the loud noises in Las Vegas airport. And a California man has been jailed after those sharp noises were heard. We have more details. Please continue to watch this video. A California man jailed in Las Vegas on suspicion of causing loud sound that sparked panic and travel delays Sunday at Harry Reid International Airport has been arrested at the airport less than 24 hours earlier for allegedly causing a disturbance near a ticket counter. The sharp sound of a door closing or trash can toppling, apparently mistaken for gunfire, caused passengers to abandon security lines at 4:30 a.m. Sunday. More loud noises reverberated through the airport's busy terminal as metal posts were knocked over in chaos, as per Las Vegas police officer Larry Hadfield. Stephen Matthias Jensen's alleged role causing the sound was not immediately described. The initial sound was a door or trash can falling that triggered patrons to leave lines, which caused stanchions to fall, causing succession of loud noises. No serious injuries were reported by airport officials, but social media posts showed people running and later crowded in concourses of the terminal that serves the most domestic flight. Dozens of commercial flights in and out of Las Vegas were cancelled or delayed throughout the day, and thousands of people were affected. Passengers who had been screened by Transportation Security Administration were required to be re-screened. Hutchinson of Carmichael, California, was taken into custody at the airport on a felony burglary charge and held at Clark County Detention Center in Las Vegas pending court appearance. Hutchinson was not armed. On Saturday, Hutchinson had been arrested at 8:30 a.m. on misdemeanor misconduct and resisting an officer charges and freed from jail without bail later that day. The initial police call in that case was about a possible airport security breach. On Monday, Hutchinson refused to be taken from jail to appear before a court. Court records show that he was scheduled to appear in court Wednesday morning. A deputy public defender who was appointed temporarily to represent him did not immediately respond to any messages. So that's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch this space for more informative news. Thanks for watching us. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.